Okay. Try to get some sellers coming in here.
Order filled.
Order filled right there. Let's see what we can do here. On the way on me just as soon as it came to me. Have to flatten this one, I think, here in a minute. Come on to daddy here, people. Might have missed this little scalp here. It's okay. Think it's exhausted, y'all, but who knows? It's the way it goes. First your money, second your close. Got 4 lots on this. Little pullback at the 20 EMA. That's what I'm hoping for. Not sure I'm going to get it. Wow, the volume went away to nothing as soon as I entered. As soon as I entered, I'm just going to get out of the way of that. I'm going to get out of the way of that. And we're just going to fight another day. Going to fight another day. Watching it in real time here, we'll catch us one in a second. But you're wrong, you're wrong. And so, you know, this is we're downtrending here. And the trend there, I'm glad we got out of the way of that. Look at that. So we'll just try it again here in a second. Let's just see if they're making a little bit of a stop run there. Do have some liquidity up there. Trading on the ones. Nah, look at that. We would have made our money right there pretty easy. So I'm going to wait for that for just one more second. Do a little 5 count here and then see what kind of action that we get. Breaking through the 20 EMA. That play normally works when we've been trending down, have a little pullback. I might have been a little early, and that's okay. That happens on a pretty good day. $800 made. Bottom tail there. That's good for the bulls. And I don't mind reversing this and going with these topping tails and a failure here of the 20 EMA and this big pulse candle down, a little retracement. I was like, you know, this should be a little bit of a continuation down to this linear regression. And then RSI was turning down, so I was ready to get on the button here. And I'm ready to do that again, actually. I'm ready to do it again, actually. Let's just see what we can get here. Don't want to be faked out, as you guys know how that can work. Don't want to be faked out. Just want to make just a little bit of scalping money here. See what happens. Still waiting for that volume. Yeah, they always put the music on at the absolute worst times. So we're going to do this one kind of blind. We're going to do this one kind of blind. See if this is going to be a pullback. We're just on the ones here. And so I want to see some momentum. Not going to jump in and be premature on this. RSI is flattening out a little bit. We're already in the middle of the bottom lane of the channel. So no reason to get into a hurry. I was hoping that we would reject right here like we had done here for this move and this move. We made $100 here and $100 there. Thought I'd turn on the recorder. See if we get a sideways action here and we're going to break out either up or down. Doesn't matter to me. We'll take it whichever way it goes, right? And here it goes. Go ahead and take that to the upside. See what we can get here. Not sure what kind of pour I got there. And it's 80, 100.
Order filled.
Okay, we take out $100 right there, so that's good. And look, I think that that's just going to be a runner. I do think that this is going to be, to make the big money, this is going to be a short right here. I think that these wicks up in here is just where the bulls just don't have it. I think that we're going to need to take us a short here in a second. And the shorts are going to be where it's at. I really do. Anyway, you guys get to watch it with me. Got to do a little bit of these bottoms, these lows here kind of lining up. Same place. So I do like that for a breakdown. We'll see here in a minute. See here in a minute. I'll be ready for a quick short if they do. breaking down just a no volume. So I just can't take it with not enough lopsided volume there, because watch this candle pull right back into itself. You know, you got to have a lot of volume, or, you know, it's like fishing with a bow and arrow. You got a string on that twine on that arrow, and you got to really have some force to get that twine out there. It just comes right back, and that's what you just saw in that candlestick there. And so, and this wick here though tells me that the buyers can't get it to push up either. So we're breaking down from these EMAs, which is what I was looking for a few minutes ago. We'll get some volume over here. Then I really want to get short here. I really think that VWAP is way down. We're up there at all-time highs. I just think that being 2:00 in the afternoon, New York time, that this is going to need to go down. I could be wrong. You know, we could go up and set all-time highs again. And but I'm just looking for a little 1-minute scalp here and there. Try to make us a little bit of coin. And trading a live account here. Just started this one. And so Tradeify, straight to funded. We'll see. Nothing to do right now. Again, we're waiting for volume. Let's go ahead and reset this. Wait a minute. See, it ain't taking out these recent highs, and those are just the wicks. So got a feeling this is going to roll over. I'm very surprised it's breaking through these MAs. And look at that. There's kind of a gap up there. Okay to take a long here, but I'm going to need some volume. Let's just do
Order
it.
filled.
No volume. As soon as we got that spike. All right, I got out. Got out on that one. We don't want to stick around when we don't have any volume. So it's a little $40 of loss. We're going to catch it here. Something's about to happen. I can feel it. You guys are riding along with me. We are micro scalping 4 minis on the NASDAQ. Living large. Living large, they say. Okay, so we get a double thumbs here. Still is not a lot of volume, so I'm trading probably for the video as much as I'm trading for anything else. We'll figure it out in a second. It's going to go one way or the other. And when we do, it's going to be here and have enough momentum to get a piece of it. Let's get a piece of this here. Yeah, I'm down below a million. It's crazy. No volume. 154, 6 minutes to 2 p.m. New York time. Figure it out here in a second, right? Figure it out here in a second. Might have to drop down to a 30-second candle. Really do some scalping. Let's just do that. 30-second candles rolling out old tried and true. Still right in the middle of the channel, way above VWAP. Overbought. It could go more overbought, right? On the 15-minute. Still above the VWAP, holding on to the 5-period moving average. Not looking bad at all. Like the way that looks for bulls. Bullish. Bullish. Everybody looks a little bullish here. Which means I probably should short this rascal. All right, let's short it. Let's short it. Short it out of the park. We need some volume. How are we looking on the overbought? We're just pretty much, even on the 15-minute, we're getting to that overbought. So, looked away and missed it. Yeah, it's a fake out. See, the volume went right away. That they're going to drift it down on us and not have any multi-candle moves. We want to catch a multi-candle move here. Try to catch us a multi-candle move. Still no gusto. They're pulling the arrow back this much. They're pulling that string back like that, letting it go. Like up and down and down and up. No gusto. Look at those wicks on the bottom of those little down pushes, and then right back to neutral volume. Hard to scalp that. So we're just chop city. Chop City. City's chopping. Car below the moving averages now, so if we get any gusto, I'm going to take a trade on it for sure. I'm not scared. Just do it.
Order rejected.
Order rejected. See what happened there. Oh, shoot. Put in way too many, didn't I? Might have missed that. Got to wait now. If you miss your entry.
Order rejected.
What in the world happened? Well, order's rejected. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have a XYZ dollar self-imposed limit in Tradeify myself. And so I hit that. In Tradeivate, I hit that. So I'll come back tomorrow and build this up. I only had it to set to 500. So I just lost that in those trades. So we'll switch accounts. That's how it works when you're trading. That's how it goes, as they say. First your money, second your clothes. So we'll come back and start building this little $50,000 account back up. I just started that today, so I'm positive $32. So I think I had it 550 or something, and I got my self-imposed maximum daily loss at 500. That's how you don't blow accounts. So let's just switch to the other account, and then we'll go from there. See you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Thank you.